Most welcome to Cook on Amma YouTube channel. I brought you to today very special lovely breakfast idea. This is very easy to do and very beautiful. We need eggs, sausages, salt, pepper and little oil. Let's do it. Slice the sausages and pin the toothpick as shown in the video. That way you can fix all the sausages. Now I will try separate the eggs. If you want, you can add whole egg also. Mix both well. Now everything is ready. Put the saucepan on the stove and add the little oil. When heat the pan, you can add in sausages. Fry the both sides and around too. Squeeze the sausage well into the pan, then add eggs. Remember, fill in half first. Once the added eggs are slightly boiled, then you can add remaining half too. For the egg whites also do the same. Now you can add the salt and pepper as you need. Now you are filled all the eggs. If you like to eat half-boiled eggs, you can take it early. If not, you can leave it until cooked well. We did our lovely breakfast. Enjoy and taste with your loved ones. Remember to write your comments below. See you in another new video. Have a great day. May you have long life.